Check it out, guys. So, I mean, there was a lot of different link options out there. I got a lot of different ideas from people. I really couldn't decide, and a lot of the other ones were pricey, and I didn't see the difference between those and these. I really didn't. Maybe I'm wrong. I don't know. I went with the Axial Stage 1 aluminum kit. I mean, it comes with everything you need, and it's just pretty much upgrading to aluminum links. I mean, it comes with everything you need. The price was right. It was cheaper than the ones I've been looking at, and I really don't see the difference. Maybe I'm just not hardcore enough with the whole crawler scene, but I don't know. But I like the Axial stuff. It fits really nice. It's got that nice grayish aluminum color there, and I don't know. I like them. So I'm going to be putting these on my Wraith. Check it out, guys. This kit comes with a whole bunch of crap. It looks like there's a whole lot more than I actually need, and looking at the directions, it took me a second to figure out what goes where. But what they're doing pretty much is they have all the trees labeled 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and stuff like that. And if you look at the instructions, it says right there, see right here, which one to use, number 2, which number 2 is right here. So I guess I'm going to go put this together. I really don't know what the other ones are for, the straight ends and stuff like that. Maybe it's for future projects, and I don't know what these are right here. I have no clue. Maybe if somebody knows, they can chime in and let me know. Maybe I'll figure it out going along in the build. Don't know. But I'm going to start putting these together according to the instructions provided by Axial, just because I'm sure that's probably what works the best. So I'm going to go ahead with that and start putting it together. And they give you the plastic hollow bowl ends. I'll probably upgrade those later, but for now we're going to use those. So, and they even give you extra. I think they just have trees that they just, here you go, this is what you get, and that's on the tree. Well, you get a free one. So that's that. All right, so I'm going to start putting these together, guys. Alright, my favorite way to cut anything off a tree is flush cutters. These things are great. I picked them up at Walmart for like $3, and they're just absolutely amazing. Okay, guys. So I started putting these together, just realized something. I mean, what I was doing was probably okay. I was threading them in, and I was taking these and threading them on to the end. But actually, I started looking at them a little closer, and see that, but it has an Allen head on the top of it, and I looked at the pictures, and it actually has a rounder end on the other side, and that actually goes into the plastic ends. So check it out, guys. Got them all together, ready to go on the car. Really nice looking. I like them. I actually like them a lot better now that they're all together. Nice dark looking. Really cool. So, I got to find my Wraith. It's around here somewhere. There we go. Alright, so now I got to tear it down. Alright, check that out, guys. Links are in. They look good. I'm really happy with it. And they look great. I'm really happy with them, guys. So, there you go. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'm actually going to go do the cage mod on this, so I'll catch you guys later.